Good day, legends. Rylow here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to properly export your shortlist from Football Manager. So the regen mapping works perfectly with the NG Regens Manager software. Righto. First things first. We need to make sure all the right views and filters are installed in your Football Manager documents folder. Easiest way to check is by opening up the NG Regens Manager software, heading over to the Settings tab, and looking for that green message that says all views and filters are installed. If you don't see it, no worries. Just select your FM Documents folder, hit the Install button, and you're sorted. Next up, fire up Football Manager and load your save. I recommend saving your game right before you export the shortlist. Now, depending on the skin you're using, things might look a little different on screen, but the process is pretty much the same. Now, here's the trick. We need to add a new manager. Hit the FM button in the top right corner and choose Add New Manager. You can reuse your existing profile if you like. Just make sure the manager starts unemployed. That bit's important. Once that's done, click on Shortlist in the left-hand menu to open up the player search screen. Now we're going to import a custom view. This sets things up so the export works properly. Click this little button here, Custom, then Import View. When the window pops up, select Script Faces Player Search. FM should apply the view automatically, but if it doesn't, just go back to Custom and activate it manually. Your player search window should now be showing the UID, nationality, second nationality, name, and 3 number columns. If it looks like mine, then you're good to go. Next step, filters. We only want to export Newgens, yeah? So click the New Search button in the top right corner to bring up the search screen. Then, in the bottom left corner, click the gear icon, Manage Filters, Import. Choose Is Newgen Search Filter. Hit Load, then OK. That imports the filter, but we still need to switch it on. Click the gear icon again, select Is Newgen Search Filter, and hit No in the pop-up. You should now see Is Newgen listed under Additional Conditions. That means we're all set. Back at the main screen, all the players you're seeing now are Newgens, exactly what we want. Click on any one of them, then press Ctrl+A or Command+A on a Mac to select the lot. Then hit Ctrl+P or Command+P to print them to a text file. Give your shortlist a name, something that makes sense to you. I usually go with my team name and the in-game year to keep things organized. And that's it. Too easy. You can now import that shortlist into NG Regens Manager, generate the mappings, hop back into FM, reload your skin, and reload your earlier save to get rid of that second manager. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. And as always, take care. Rylow out.